Is there anyone who doesn't want a flat belly? We all want one, don't we? Hello and welcome back to Fitness Corridor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you exercises which will help you to tone and strengthen the muscles of your belly or your abdomen. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start with the knee raises. Keep your hands in front of you with your elbows bent, hips are square facing forward. Now use your core and lift your knee above your waist, touching each knee to your hands. Do about 10 to 15 repetitions. This is a good warm-up of the abdominal muscles. A slightly challenging variation to the knee raises is keeping your hands extended in front and your upper body straight, core engaged, raising your foot from your hip to your hands. Do about 5 to 10 repetitions on either sides. Holding a plank for a minute is also a great exercise for the abdomen. To know how to do a plank, do watch my video on how to do a plank. The link is mentioned in the description box below. After mastering the plank, challenge yourself with staying in the plank pose and bringing your right knee to your right armpit and left knee to your left armpit. This initially might seem tough, but is a great exercise for the abdomen and the obliques. Boat pose or Naukasana is another abdomen strengthening exercise. Come on your sit bones and start initially by keeping your knees bent. See that your back is not slouching and your chest is kept lifted. Slightly lean back and inhale, lifting your feet, bringing your shins parallel to the floor. Stay there for 5 breaths. Exhale and release the pose. For doing the complete boat pose, you need to slowly extend the legs and stay there, taking 5 deep breaths. Start by lying on your back. Lift your head off the ground and place your hands near your head. As you extend one leg forward, reach the opposite elbow to the knee. Go through the bicycle pedal motion, bringing one knee towards the elbow, straightening the other leg, keeping both the legs elevated. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember not to strain and use your neck while doing this exercise. Lie down with your hands by the side with both your legs raised 90 degrees. Now keeping one leg up, slowly bring the other leg down, gently touch the ground and bring it back. Keep repeating this with one by one with each leg. This exercise tones your lower abdomen muscles and strengthens them. This exercise can also be done by supporting your lower back with both your hands. Lying face up on the floor with your palms facing down, in one movement, raise your hips up with your heels trying to kick up. This exercise targets your lower abs as well as your hips. At the end of your ab exercises, relax your body by doing the spinal twists on either sides. So one tip I wanted to give you when you're doing belly exercises, you have to pull your belly muscles in or tuck your belly in. and along with it even you pull your pelvic muscles in. So when you do this, you will be having no difficulty in doing the ab exercise. So tell me how you like this video. Like, share and comment on this video, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and press the bell icon to receive new notifications every time I post a video. Stay inspired, stay fit, stay safe. See you back soon. Namaste.